In today's competitive digital landscape, mastering the art of cold emailing is crucial for any marketer or business professional. But fear not, we've got you covered with a tried and tested strategy that will help you cut through the clutter and land those coveted responses. Research is key. Understand who you're reaching out to and tailor your message accordingly. Personalization is the secret sauce that can make or break a cold email campaign. Grab their attention with a concise, intriguing, and relevant subject line. It's the gateway to your email and should be tailored to your recipient's interests or pain points. Show them from the start why they should keep reading. Keep it concise and focused. Clearly articulate the benefits of your product or service, addressing their needs and providing solutions. Include testimonials or case studies to build credibility and trust. End with a strong call to action, making it clear what you want them to do next. So there you have it, a proven formula for writing cold emails that get responses. Remember, it's all about knowing your audience, personalizing your message, and providing value. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to email marketing success.